Alright, so if you have a washroom and you have a small space where you want to throw garbage, you may want to consider something like this. This is a very slim garbage pail with handles. You can use this as an office bin, a bedroom bin, or in our case, a bathroom bin. These come in a whole bunch of colors. As you can see, it takes much lesser space than any conventional round trash bin, and it looks exceptionally nice because you can match the decor with the selected colors. Stay tuned for the whole video. Now, we needed something that will fit right there. We never planned how big the pail should be, but this one fits perfectly. It is 5 inches by 10 inches 7/8 by 10 inches 1/8. You can see that it also tapers down, so it goes from 5 inches to 4 inches and 1/4. The trash can comes in 2 different sizes, a 10-inch and 12-inch tall. We ended up getting 3 of these 10-inch ones. These come in a whole bunch of colors. As you can see, it takes much lesser space than any conventional round trash bin, and it looks exceptionally nice because you can match the decor with the selected colors. It's nice and strong plastic. It will fit a whole bottle just about, and this is just a 2-liter bottle. Very easy to dump things, and eventually over time, as you guys can see, you will have stuff to throw in there. There we go, so very easy to take and dump away. It's light, and we can just place that in there, and so it sits. Again, great addition to a bathroom. A bathroom is something that you want to take time to either decorate, especially if you're selling a house, or just make a nice space, because eventually you're going to spend a whole lot of time in here. And so I have a television in here. Alright, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.